In this video, we are going to see how we can type on the both sides of Google Docs, that is left and right. You can also write in the middle if you want to, but we'll use the tab stops to do that. I'll just scroll all the way down to the bottom where we can see the example of this. The cursor is flashing at the starting. And let's say this is the left text. I'll just write here. And let's say the right text after that should begin from here or whatever point you want at the ruler. Let me just fix it at 5 on the scale. Right click on this and click on add right tab stop. And then we will simply press tab button, T-A-B, tab, press tab, and you will immediately move to the right section. So you can write simply on both sides like this. Hit enter. Let's say next text, left, press tab, next text, right, and you can write it simply like this. Now it's your choice if you want to center align that or right align those. It's completely your choice, but that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.